Hello friends, today we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, house. My house is very big. My house is very big. Second, school. I go to school every day. Three, teacher. We should respect our teacher. We should respect our teacher. Fourth, book. This is my science book. This is my science book. Country. India is our country. India is our country. Tree. Tree gives us oxygen. Tree gives us oxygen. Horse. Horse runs very fast. Horse runs very fast. Pencil. I write with a pencil. I write with a pencil. Our. This is our car. This is our car. Black. This dog is black. This dog is black. Under. The cat is under the chair. The cat is under the chair. Who? Who will play with me? Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.